Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C43 AMG Coupe 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Under the hood is a 6-cylinder 3-liter turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. Up front we've got the diamond style grille. For wheels we've got 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels with black accents. Tires are in good condition. This one also comes with the advanced lighting package, which is going to give you ambient lighting, active LED headlamps, intelligent high beam control, and AMG illuminated door sill panels. Also comes with AMG big brakes for stopping performance. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, got a rear spoiler. AMG C43 badging. Coming up front, got blind spot assist, a keyless entry, a nice brushed aluminum trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. This one does come with the advanced parking assist package, which is going to give you a surround view camera, Parktronic, and blind spot assist. A nice black ash wood trim, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, our keys for our multimedia center. This C43 has 10,246 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43, check out feldmanimports.com.